I think I agree with you.
I know how to ride a bike already, even without protected gear.
Good morning, friends. So today I'm going to install the float plate on my Onewheel and put on some of the Loctite stuff. Put on some Loctite on all of the screws that I took off last time when I was disassembling the board. And what was I doing? I was trying to figure out what the internals looked like. And what's wrong? Oh, I reinstalled the tire. So I didn't put Loctite on the screw and the bolts. I didn't put Loctite on the bolts when I installed the tire. So I'm going to disassemble the board, put on the float plate, put on the Loctite, and then screw it all together. And then we'll go for a test ride.
Ah, sweet. Oh my god.
Let's get all the gear together. Just taking off the fender, you'll notice that that hole is stripped, so it's been molested before. I'm pretty good with not over tightening bolts and things, and I put it on, when I tighten these bolts, I put it on the lowest torque setting. Something's been bothering me that these connections weren't tightened last time, so I've just given them a quick tighten. Putting that on torque setting 1 to tighten so that you don't over tighten this. Well, I've just realized that was silly. I need to install the float plate on the bottom, so let's take that off again. What I want to see is those two screws will be the same length, so I'm going to use the longer screws that was supplied with the float plate. So those will be the 4 corners, and then I still need to determine the length of those. Well, that's a short one, which unfortunately I only have one of. So I'm going to keep the other one in and just use this one. So I think that's slightly better waterproofed, or at least splash proofed. Now I install the float plate. There's a bit of a splash guard as well. Well, I think that wraps up today's video. I waterproofed, I Loctited, and I added the float plate to the Onewheel Pint. Now, all that's left to do is go for a ride. Enjoy.